Everybody, so I'm here in the condo 901, and this is unit 205. So Kojun is here, and we're gonna go into his condo listing and check it out. Okay.
Aloha!
Hey!
Hey guys, how you doing? Come on in.
Go in. Okay.
Thank you for joining us at our open house today. We'll be here from 2 to 5 p.m. Let's check out unit 205, 901 Prospect. All right. So starting off real quick, beautifully renovated kitchen. We just finished the renovation this year in 2019, back in April. This building was built in 1974, and this is a complete ceiling to floor renovation. Removal of popcorn as well. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the property. So we have a pretty nice little view out here. I'm going to turn the camera around and show it to you guys real quick. There we go. So we've got pocket views of the ocean, beautiful views of downtown, the Ward area, and a little sliver of Kaka'ako as well. Also coming back through, we do have a one-bedroom area over on this side that we'd like to show you guys. And it also has a beautiful view of Ward area and the ocean that we were just talking about. So we do have it staged right now for our renovation, and also want to show you the continuous flow of our renovation through our bathroom. And let me just flip this around. All right. So I would like to point out that we did remove this portion of the wall right in this area in between the toilet and the vanity, and extended the vanity out. Wonderful. And then we do have a closet area right behind our vanity. Beautiful. This unit
Okay, we're good. We're still rolling.
Oh, we're still rolling?
Yep.
All right. And so, again, this unit is just at 428 square feet. Sorry, I had to double check the information real quick. We're looking at $315,000 on this property. It's a one bedroom, one bath with two parking spaces. It's pretty awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us.
Any questions? Who they should contact you? They can go through me or whoever?
Well, you know what? Because we're both licensed at Equity Hawaii Real Estate, you can contact either one of us. Danny's an excellent agent to reach out to. If he's not available and he's out doing this awesome program at the moment, you can reach out to me at 808-354-5854. Thank you so much. Aloha.
Thank you.